Welcome! Today we're diving into wet bar ideas. Whether you're setting up a cozy corner for mixing drinks at home or looking to create a full-featured wet bar, these ideas will bring both functionality and style to your setup. A wet bar is the perfect addition to any home where you love to entertain, offering a dedicated space for making drinks, storing glassware, and showcasing your favorite beverages. In this video, we'll cover essential design elements for crafting the perfect wet bar, ideal layouts, storage and organization solutions, aesthetic styling tips, and functional add-ons. Whether you're planning a new build or upgrading an existing space, these ideas will help you create a wet bar that suits your lifestyle and reflects your personal taste. Let's get started. Selecting the right layout for your wet bar is essential, as it sets the foundation for functionality and flow. One popular option is the corner wet bar, which can be seamlessly incorporated into almost any room without taking up too much space. Corner bars are great for smaller spaces, offering just enough room for a sink, a few shelves, and storage for basic barware. Adding open shelving above the counter allows you to showcase glassware or favorite bottles, creating a casual yet functional setup. Another common choice is a linear or straight wet bar, which works well along a wall in larger rooms like basements, kitchens, or even home theaters. This layout typically includes a countertop, a sink, and storage cabinetry, with space for a mini fridge or wine cooler beneath. For a streamlined appearance, consider integrating the wet bar with cabinetry that matches the rest of the room or complements your existing decor. For those with ample space, an island wet bar is a bold and interactive choice. Island wet bars create a central gathering point in open-concept spaces, allowing guests to socialize from all sides. The layout is perfect for entertaining, as it provides plenty of countertop space for preparing drinks, serving snacks, or setting out mixers. Islands also offer the flexibility to add extra features like an under-counter fridge, dishwasher, or even a built-in ice maker. Finally, if you're looking for a unique and space-saving layout, consider a closet or cabinet wet bar. This design involves transforming a closet or cabinet into a mini wet bar by adding a small countertop, a sink, and possibly even lighting for a hidden, yet stylish setup. This layout works wonderfully for apartments or rooms where you want the functionality of a wet bar without committing a lot of square footage. If these wet bar ideas got you excited to entertain and style, give this video a like and share it with friends who love a well-designed home bar. Efficient storage and organization are key to a functional and visually appealing wet bar. Start by considering cabinetry. Custom or semi-custom cabinets can be tailored to store everything from glassware and bottles to small appliances. If you're working with a smaller space, look for ways to maximize every inch by using pull-out shelves, drawer dividers, and lazy susans in corner cabinets. Built-in storage options keep everything neat and accessible while freeing up counter space. Open shelving is another great storage solution, especially for displaying glassware, bottles, or decorative items. Floating shelves above the countertop add a touch of elegance while keeping essentials within easy reach. You can mix open shelves with closed cabinets below for a balance of style and practicality. Consider incorporating different shelf heights to accommodate taller bottles or specialty glassware. For those with a collection of wines, adding a wine rack or wine fridge can be a fantastic feature. Wine racks can be wall-mounted, built into the cabinetry, or even placed on the countertop. If you have a more extensive collection, a wine fridge can help maintain proper temperatures for your wines while keeping them within easy reach. Drawer organization is also crucial, especially if your wet bar serves as a space for cocktail preparation. Use dividers or custom inserts to keep bar tools, stirrers, and coasters organized. In larger bars, consider a pull-out trash bin and recycling bin for easy cleanup. By dedicating specific storage for each item, you'll create an organized wet bar that makes entertaining a breeze. What's your must-have feature in a wet bar? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how you'd personalize your space for the ultimate bar setup. Designing a stylish wet bar involves selecting colors, materials, and accents that enhance your space and reflect your personal taste. For a modern, sleek look, consider dark, glossy cabinetry and stainless steel finishes. Dark colors create a sophisticated atmosphere, while metal accents add a touch of contemporary elegance. You can pair this look with glass shelves and mirrored backsplash tiles to reflect light and make the area feel open and inviting. For a more classic or rustic style, consider wood cabinetry with natural stone countertops. Wood creates warmth and adds texture, making the bar feel cozy and inviting. Opt for open shelving made of reclaimed wood or add rustic elements like a stone or brick backsplash. Marble or quartz countertops can bring a timeless appeal that complements various styles while being durable and easy to maintain. Another aesthetic choice to consider is lighting. Wet bars are ideal spaces for pendant lights or LED strip lights under shelves or cabinets. LED lights are great for highlighting glassware or adding a soft ambience. Choose a lighting fixture that matches the overall style. Industrial pendant lights work well in modern bars, while chandeliers add a touch of glamour to more traditional spaces. When it comes to color schemes, neutral tones are versatile and blend seamlessly with most rooms. If you're aiming to make a statement, bold colors like navy, emerald green, or even deep burgundy can add a unique character to your wet bar. Consider finishing touches like bar stools with complementary upholstery, framed artwork, or even a chalkboard wall for a personal touch. Your wet bar can reflect your personal style while still tying in with the rest of the room's decor. For more stylish home and entertaining ideas, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest design inspirations. A functional wet bar isn't complete without practical add-ons that make mixing and serving drinks easier. One of the most popular features is a mini fridge or beverage cooler, which can store everything from sodas to spirits, keeping them chilled and ready for guests. If you frequently entertain, a dual-zone fridge might be a wise investment, allowing you to keep different types of beverages at their ideal temperatures. Adding an ice maker is another functional feature that many homeowners appreciate. Dedicated ice makers produce a consistent supply of ice, eliminating the need for ice trays. If you prefer a more budget-friendly option, consider a portable ice maker that can be stored when not in use. Some high-end wet bars even include built-in ice wells for a professional touch. A small dishwasher can be a game-changer, especially in a larger wet bar setup. These compact dishwashers can fit under the counter and are perfect for washing glassware and bar tools after a night of entertaining. For a touch of luxury, consider adding a bar sink with a pull-out faucet. This allows you to rinse glasses and make cleanup more convenient, while also adding a professional look to the bar. Finally, don't overlook the smaller accessories that add personality and functionality to your wet bar. Bar tool sets, cocktail shakers, and glassware in various styles can make the area feel complete. If you have open shelving, consider displaying unique items like vintage decanters or specialty glassware for a personal touch. When outfitted with the right accessories and functional features, your wet bar will be ready for any gathering or celebration. Check out our home bar design playlist for more ideas to help you create a beautiful and functional wet bar that's perfect for hosting. Thank you for joining us to explore wet bar ideas. Whether you're dreaming of a simple corner setup or a full-scale entertaining area, these tips can help you create a stylish, functional space that's perfect for hosting friends and family. From smart layout choices to thoughtful storage solutions, a well-designed wet bar adds both convenience and charm to any home. Head to the description for links to the products used in today's video so you can build a wet bar that's both stylish and functional. We hope these ideas inspire you to create a wet bar that not only serves drinks but also serves as a beautiful, enjoyable space for relaxation and socializing. By incorporating elements that reflect your personal taste and lifestyle, you can create a wet bar that will be a go-to gathering spot for years to come. Imagine gathering with loved ones around a custom wet bar that feels tailor-made for you. It's a place for memories, laughter, and shared stories. A well-designed wet bar isn't just a functional space, it's an expression of your personal style and hospitality. With thoughtful details and finishing touches, your wet bar can become a signature feature in your home, enhancing every occasion.